Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to detangle cosplay wigs. Let's say you have a long synthetic wig that you've worn for a few hours, running around a con, taking photos, making TikToks, and now it looks like this. Don't worry, I'm here to help. And speaking of TikTok, if you think you've seen this video before, no you didn't. Step 1. Secure your wig. I like to hook together the elastic straps used to adjust the size of the cap to do this. Step 2. Separate a small section of hair. Step 3. Use your hands to gently pull apart knots, starting from the bottom and working your way up. Step 4. Use a comb or wig brush to smooth out the hair. I typically alternate between this and using my hands until the knots and tangles are completely gone. Side note, shedding is expected. Step 5. Apply silicone spray with your hands to evenly distribute the product. Again, working from the bottom up. A little goes a long way, but this will soften the fibers and prevent future tangles, which are inevitable, especially with a super long wig. Step 6. Section off the detangled hair and repeat steps 2 through 5 to the rest of your wig. Be patient as this process is a bit time consuming, so feel free to catch up on your favorite YouTuber in the meantime. Once I'm done detangling, I'll usually put the wig into a loose braid before putting it back in the hairnet and bag it came in. And that's it! Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful. For more content and ways to support me, check out my Instagram, TikTok, OnlyFans, and Ko-fi. And of course, subscribe to my channel, TaraFYW, for more videos like this and other fun things. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you never miss a new video from me. And until next time, please take care and stay well.